When on the support page for Remote 1/Report 1, beneath the 3 steps for installation, locate More Software Downloads. Underneath will be the Excel Scale USB drivers. Select this option. Choose Save As and select your file path. Select Open. Double-click on Excel USB drivers. Double-click on FPVCP installer. Select Extract All. Select a destination for your extract files. Select Extract. Double-click on Excel USB drivers. Double-click on FPVCP installer. Excel driver install will pop up. Select Install. You will be asked to verify. Select Install. Your Excel USB driver is now installed.